In this video, we'll check how safe this car is. MG S5 EV comes equipped with the MG Pilot Safety Suite, including autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and rear cross traffic alert. These systems help reduce the likelihood of accident and improve during driving confidence. Its modern platform has been engineered to meet the largest crash safety standards. The vehicle is expected to perform strongly in independent safety testing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.